All right. Welcome, everyone. Something a bit different. As you can see, no review. That's because I would like to talk about something that's been going on in the Netherlands. As of July 1st, there has been a new law that's been implemented. This law is over a year old, and it basically limits everything to 10 milliliter. Now, I'm not talking about tanks because those have been limited to 2 milliliters for a long time due to the TPD law. I'm talking about juice, e-liquids, but not just e-liquids. I'm talking about aromas, liquids, base, nic shots. Everything liquid and vaping is limited to 10 milliliters, even if there isn't any nicotine in it. Of course, this is a stupid law, but I just wanted to show you what the effect and what it means for Dutch vapers. Now, and I'm not even talking only about health and safety and blah blah blah. This, you can push this as far as the environment. I mean, right here, this is a 120 ml bottle of e-liquid. Now, I'm a dripper, so roughly said, I use 4 a month. Let's say 1 every week or so. Again, yours might be more, maybe little. For now, we're gonna go with this. So, 4 bottles a month. Roughly 1 every week. This is it. Yeah, 4 bottles. Okay, they're made of plastic, but you can dispose of them fairly easy, in the right way, in the plastic bin, or when your environment station, everything plastic goes in a different bin. This is manageable. Now, of course, there are 60 ml bottles, which I have right here. Still the same. 160 times 2 is 120. So, let's say roughly 8 per month. Still not really a big deal. You carry them around for a day or what, that's it. You get home, you dispose of them in the normal way. What our Dutch government now came up with are these 10 milliliter bottles. Now, of course, we can all see the difference. And here's where the environment part comes into play. A 10 ml bottle means this is the equivalent of a 120 ml bottle. Again, see where I'm going with this? It's a difference. Now, this is just one of these bottles. Like I said before, I roughly do 4 a month. And that means something that looks like this. Now you can't sit there and tell me with a straight face that this has to do with health and safety. You can't sit there with a straight face and tell me that this shit is better for the environment. Because you do one a day, maybe two, and then what? You're gonna throw it away. The majority won't care where they are. You just flick it out the window. Throw it in the bushes. So, even though our Dutch government wants to protect us, this is bullshit. And I just hope that our government comes to senses real quick and looks at, for instance, the UK or New Zealand or whatever, and get rid of this law. I mean, like I said in the beginning, there's nothing fucking dangerous in this. It's PG, VG, and flavoring. Okay. Nicotine. Nicotine isn't the most dangerous stuff in the world. This needs to stop. And don't forget that it's not just liquid. Even if it has no nicotine in it, it's still going to be limited to 10 mLs. This shit needs to stop. So I hope the government will see this video. Probably not. I just hope that they change the law back as soon as fucking possible. That's it for me.